Early nagising si Ellie kasi nag-walking sila ni Daddy. So, play using their car. So, mafo-fold mo siya. Pre-Charlotte Mason training before we can enroll to that career. Ang pamagat ng libro... Wait lang, makalimutan ko. I'm washing, naglo-laundry pala ako.
Welcome back to our channel. Never mind. Grow, tree. You will never what? Ah, hit a tree. Gosh, when we're at Sunday, I watched the man eating expired food that never come back again. That are released and then that are discontinued. Some are very, very long. And sometimes they're tasty, but when you taste the last one, it was very expired already because it was from the old times already.
Why would they eat that?
Well, he's just telling everybody, but it was yummy actually.
No,
The
you
last
cannot
one.
eat expired foods.
I don't know why he's eating tasty expired food.
So, Psalms 101. I will sing of the steadfast love and justice to you, O Lord. I will make music. Oh, it's still making songs and making music to the Lord like yesterday. I will ponder the way that is blameless, meaning I will think of ways that is blameless. Oh, when will you come to me? I will walk with integrity of heart within my house. I will not set before my eyes anything that is
I'm
worthless.
going to show you my malunggay. Just wait. Yeah, malunggay. Well, look. My malunggay is already growing. See? Oh, it's all of. Well, it still have a cutted wood in there, but thank you.
What are you listening? Huh? What is that? Music. What's the song? P-A-T-O. Pata. Ginawa nilang MP3 yung camera. Yan. Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. It's Mommy Doc. So, it's another day. On lang. Check ko lang. Yan. Hindi pa gumagana yung ulo ko. Tawag dito, I don't know why, pero honestly, I sleep well last night. Talagang these past days, parang, ano ba, nagkaka 8 hours ako ng sleep. So, kakakoplit ako. And, also, tawag nito, na-share ko na ba sa inyo na nag-cut back kasi ako with my caffeine. So, hindi na ako palagi nagko-coffee. As in, like, for this time, tawag nito, kailan ba last ko na nagtimpla ng kape? It's been 3 days. So, once in a while, I have kung lalabas ako or if needed. Pero siguro for now, I will give myself some caffeine. Kasi talagang naglalag yung mind ko. May hinihintay ako sa work. So, I'm already working. May hinihintay ako ng mga reply and walang may nagre-reply sa akin. So, parang na-pause ako. Maybe I'll do some other tasks. Yes. And also for the kids, yun. I'm so proud with our Achi. Si Achi and si Daddy. Kanina, early nagising si Ellie kasi nag-walking sila ni Daddy. So, lately, si Daddy kasi talagang nagra-run na siya or nag-jog every day. Last night, isama ni Daddy na, yun nga, isama niya na si Ellie as part of, parang, healthy lifestyle. Dapat din nga kasama ko dyan eh. Pero, paminsan-minsan lang muna. So, for Ellie, yun kanina, sobrang happy niya kasi nag-walking lang sila ni Daddy. Yun, hindi na nag-run si Daddy kasi nag-fever yung Daddy namin. Pero, yun, nakalakad sila talagang sama sila ni Ellie. It's their time together. And Ellie is so happy. Pagkagising ko kanina, sobrang saya niya. Dami niya nang ginagawa. Tulog ang super. Dami niyang energy. She's very talkative. She played. Ang dami niyang na-set up sa lahat niya yan. Pero yung 2 kids kasi, grabe ngayon yung tulog nila. As in, early naman sila natulog kagabi. Usually kasi bedtime namin sa bahay is 9 p.m. So, pero before that, nasa room na yan sila. Kahit magulo pa sila and hyper pa sila. Then, after that, yun naman, nag-go-off lights na yan, magde-devotional na kami, and then they will sleep na. So, kagabi daw, early naman natulog po talagang sobrang late na sila nagising. Sarap ng mga sleep nila ngayon. May bago na naman akong setup. I have this chair, ano ba tawag nito? Table with chairs na binili sa Landers before. Kasi ilalagay ko siya dapat outside. Doon banda sa outside namin na area kung saan minsan magpe-play yung mga kids doon. Tapos yung nangyari is yun nga, sobrang init, tapos umuulan, hindi na siya na-use well. So, pero gustong-gusto siya ng mga kids. So, ang ginawa ko, pinasok ko siya dito sa sala namin. And parang, alam mo yun, may lalagay ka ng one furniture or what. Talagang nag-iiba yung feel nung place or nung space na yan. And I like it better kasi yun nga nagagamit ng mga kids. Diyan sila nagsasnacks, they play there. Pero they have their little table and chair kasi fit lang talaga for them. And ito na ang sitwasyon ng sala namin. So, I'm working here. Diba? Tapos, yan. Kasi, nagkaroon na kami ng bagong mat na binili ko sa room nila. So, yung ito, nilabas namin. Nilalabas namin if nilalaroan nila. So, ngayon, nandun sila sa stage of all cars. So, nagagamit nila. It's so nice, this mat. So, nabili ko to and they really enjoy kasi yun nga, makakapag, talaga sila, pretend play using their car, their blocks. Kanina si Ellie gumagawa na siya may mga robots. Tapos, ito yung mini-mini ko na table and chair. Honestly, it's a parang pwede mo siyang madala. So, mafo-fold mo siya. So, dito siya namin nilalagay. So, kung titingnan mo, it fit the space. Hindi niya naman sinira yung feel. Tapos, wala lang. Ang ganda kasi nagagamit talaga ng mga kids. Pero it's continuous. So, I like our space like this. Titingnan mo, it's not aesthetic. Hindi siya bagay sa lugar. But I love it. So, for now, that's fit for our family. Especially with our plans of homeschooling. Yeah. Homeschooling update. Ngayon yung week ng namin, training namin. So, it's a pre-Charlotte Mason training before we can enroll to that curriculum kasi yun yung kukunin namin or to that program. So, today is second day and we really learned a lot ni Daddy. For now, yung ginagawa namin is nag-Google Classroom. They send videos and answered some reflections or paano ba yung take or understanding namin of the video. Then I think on Monday, this is a 5 days training. Sa Monday naman, sa Friday, doon na yung Zoom meeting na live na talaga. There will be discussions, lahat ng yun. So I'm really looking forward for that. Kasi yung nagawa pa lang namin ni Daddy is yung first day kahapon. Yung ngayon, hinihintay ko magising si Daddy later, tapos gagawin namin together. It talks about yung guiding principles in doing the Charlotte Mason as a curriculum for your kids, for your homeschooling. And it's amazing. Talagang, if you are an intentional parent, really, it's, andun yung intentionality mo in, for the education of your kids, for really taking care of your kids, lahat ng yun. It will speak true to you and loudly. Totoo yan. So, talagang na-enjoy namin siya ni Daddy. Imagine, this just first day. So, let's see on that one. Pero kami, ongoing pa with this one kasi I think the start is, July pa naman yung start of their school year for the homeschooling. So, I will update as day passed. Titingnan natin kung how it goes with our family also. Kasi syempre, adjusting din kami and it's also a first time for us. It's low bat pa. It's charging na. You go back lang later. Oh, no. That's not how we charge. We need to let it stay. We need to let...
I'm so happy.
Hala. Sorry. Smell. May bagong aircon kami dito sa bahay. Favorite ni Kai Kai. Diba? Kai na, dami tayo pera, pambayad. Kai! Kai! What are you doing there? Is it cold? Ikaw yung may sabon, so sinong mas mayo sa atin? So, I will be cooking lunch and may nag-crave kami ni Daddy ng samgyupsal. So, I tried it at home, pero iba yung ita-try ko para okay din siya with the kids. Yung gusto ko kasi for now is the thick cut. Kasi usually kapag samgyup, diba, yung thin siya. So, bumili ako ng mga thick cut na pork. And may nakita ako last time. Nakita ko siya sa isang reel ng mom na yun parang how she feeds yung samgyupsal daw or yung yun nga sa kids niya. Pero iba yung the way na nagluto siya. Amazing lang kasi I think nakikita nyo na to sa mga reel, yung pinapaboil, yung tinatawag nila na waterless boiling, walang water, ginagamit apples lang. Ganun. Pero ito may water naman, yung nahanapan ko na recipe. Pero I'll try, parang iboboil mo yung pork, tapos iboboil mo siya doon sa with seasonings na, yung doenjang, lahat ng yun. So ito try ko siya and let's see. So, for now, ito siya muna. And, titingnan natin kung kamusta siya, kung masarap siya or hindi.
Amen.
Amen. I found new books! It's Tagalog books. Ang pamagat, what's title in Tagalog pamagat? Ang pamagat ng libro
Taka.
ay hiya. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng hiya?
Galugo. Nervous?
Oh no, it's like shy.
Or he's shy?
Ang ibig sabihin ng hiya ay I'm shy. I don't know. Let's see why is he shy. One for you, one for me. O, hati tayo. Tingnan mo. Isa so tingnan mo. Look at this. Tingnan mo. Look at this. Okay, let's see later if you can do it by yourself. I will give you scissors and they give you paste and crayons. And you can make your own mascara.
I know what to make.
If you need help, what will you say? Mommy, I need help. Or Achi, I need help. Or you tell us lang what it is. First, you make your shape. I will give you the time to do it. First, you draw what shape do you want. You need to draw it first. Do you want a circle or you
I'll
follow?
continue with my dream.
Okay, go. Be creative. You follow their kanina sa story, di ba? They make their own mascara. You do it by yourself. What does a mascara should look like? It should have eyes, a nose, right?
Mom, but I cannot make eyes. They're eraser.
So, habang yung mga kids,
Kids.
dyan sa harap ko yan. Kita ba sila yan? They're doing their activities. Ako naman, I'm cooking and wait lang, makalimutan ko. I'm washing, naglo-laundry pala ako. Wait lang, one at a time makawala sa isip ko. What are you doing? Ang glue. You need stick or do pang itakasang dola ba? Oh, that's okay. Tapos I'll prepare also for the tortang talong. Yung tortang talong namin is not the, basta sineslice ko siya. Ibang way that is easier for the kids and easy to prepare also. So, while I'm doing all of that, hopefully hindi ko makalimutan may nilolaundry ako. Kasi yung laundry namin, nasira siya. Yung nasira sa kanya, hindi na siya automatic. Naging manual siya, I mean. So, diba dapat yung laundry, yung washing machine namin, ano na siya, isiset mo na lang siya yung time, siya na lahat, magsa-stop ng water, ganun. Na sira yung sensor niya for water. So, palaging nag-overflow. So, kailangan siya namin bantayan. So, yun yung mga dapat kong i-take note lahat ngayon. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. Then just do it again. And, natapos yung tortang talong ko. And tapos na rin sila sa mascara nila. I'm gonna show it, ba? They're already playing with it. Oh. Ginawan din nila si Kai Kai parang done. Here's the pork. Halata ba?
So, yan na siya. So, hindi siya dry and hindi siya yung crispy. Malaman siya, tapos juicy siya. Tapos, frinay ko lang siya just parang 2 to 3 minutes with butter lang.
I just started it, and it's sometimes in the book. Sometimes it's funny.
Okay, go. Then you eat add tartang ka lang. Okay, Feifei.
This is my favorite pork.
O, diba? Naging fresh dahil sa pawis. Wait. Ano na bang nangyari? After lunch, as diretso na, I did some work. Tapos, may mga inasikaso kami ni Daddy. Gising na rin siya. Pero, yun, feverish pa rin. Tapos, dumating kasi yung basura. And, I think mali yung decision ko. Nung dumating yung basura, nakita ko yung outside ng house namin. Nakalibutan na rin siya ata. Tapos, syempre, umulan siya. So, wow, may forest. Grabe talaga yung mga weeds talaga. As in, super na-grow sila na parang hindi na talaga weeds. Parang may mga puno na ang hirap ng kunin. So, we decided, I asked help sa assistant ko. Tapos, kinuha namin, unti-unti namin. Pero, syempre, it's, sobrang init. Kasi it's 2 p.m. And yun nga, sobrang puno ako ng pawis. And I can smell myself. And maliban doon, na hindi ako sure, there's something sa sleepers ko na parang tinik. I'm not sure yun. Siyempre, tusok din ako, o diba?
Yes, that's.
We're having dinner with my family kasi anniversary ng wedding anniversary ng parents ko. So, the kids are all here with daddy, with our sick daddy na feverish pa rin at masama yung tiyan. And we're gonna meet up with my siblings.
Sibs.
Diba, may sakit na yan pero kaya pa.
For you.
Yun. And then, kakainan namin, we're going to Palawod. It's a parang seafood ata na restaurant. Malapit sa dagat.
A little too early for Christmas, girls.
Can you please change? Do you know what are they getting there, Langgao? They're carrying pail, you see?
Why?
And plastic.
Why are they taking them? Why are they taking? Oh, it looks like the water's going. Have you been doing up the sleeve?
Go, Achi!
Actually.
Put a little vegetables for you.
We are already home. What time na kami nakauwi? I think nakauwi kami mga 8 p.m. Tapos sobrang napagod yung mga kids. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin, yung Palawod, may siya pala, parang may side siya na may playground. Outdoor playground. So, grabe talaga yung laro nila. And they really enjoyed it kasi madami din kids doon. So, kung si Achi, she made friends daw. As in, talaga nag-ask permission siya if she can make friends. Yun, madami siyang kinausap. Very talkative niya talaga kanina. Even talking to her lola, nagkukwento siya lahat ng mga nangyari sa kanya, even sa mga tito niya, sa mga kapatid ko. So, it's very nice. Alis, accident pa kasi si Kaikai, itong Kaikai namin, na Willie siguro kakalaro. Halaka, hindi nakaabot. Magsi-CR siya dapat. Hindi nakaabot ng CR. Nawiwi niya sa panza and hindi kami nakadala ng extra clothes and panty. Mabuti na doon yung kapatid ko, si Mimi. Tapos may toddler din kasi siya. So, naghiram na lang kami diaper. Hindi nagda-diaper si Kaikai. Pero diaper na lang kami kay Nina. Saka nag-borrow ng pants. Kakatawa talaga. Pero, well, I'm so happy kasi we're able to spend times with my family. Sa even, nakapag-talk, nakapag-usap with my parents, sa mga kapatid ko. It's so nice. Sometimes, kahit alam mo yun, nakakapagod siya kasi lumalabas ka ng bahay, you bring all the kids, but there's some recharge talaga in talking with the people that is close to you. Yun siya. So honestly, even with the kids and me, we feel very happy. Si daddy happy din siya, pero talagang masama yung pakiramdam niya. Talagang super, nag-LBM siya, sumasama talaga yung tiyan niya. Honestly, past days, ako yung nakaka-feel niyan. Honestly, hanggang ngayon yung tiyan ko, meron pa rin. Parang stomach bug ata. Tapos ngayon, feverish pa rin talaga siya. Honestly, nag-leave na siya sa work. Hindi niya talaga kinaya, sabi niya. So, naka-leave siya. Honestly, nagpapahinga na siya sa room. And I'm taking care of him. Nag-init ako ng tubig kasi yun nga, nag-make na ako ng tea kasi to help yung sa tummy niya. Parang, hindi niya ma-explain yung nafe-feel niya. And yun nga, gumagawa ko ngayon ng warm compress, lahat ng yun. We'll be resting, be taking care of daddy and even yung mga kids. And it's a full day. I hope that you enjoyed today, going with us, lahat ng yun. And it's another day tomorrow. I'm just so grateful and I'm really, what do you call this? Focusing on what is positive that is happening to me and even not positive. Focusing on the truth that I have a God that is really taking care of me. So no matter what happens, I know that He is in control and everything is within His will and His plans. So I think that's really a nice reminder to everyone. Whatever you're going through right now, do not lean on in your own understanding. Do not depend on what you feel kasi very deceiving yun sila. And it really will sway you or will lead you to something that is not good. So, lean on to God or to His truth, to His word that He is there. He loves you. He is in control. And everything is within His plan. Basta, just put fully your trust in Him. Yun siya. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!